fun to take my stick out?
Of course, you're playing with the stick that's on fire. Where's Mikey? Hey, Spence. Turn around.
Want me to show you my door?
No.
My mouth!
See if we can find Mikey.
Michael!
Oh, there he is.
Michael, over here! Michael, I'm over here. Michael!
He's right here. He's coming. He's coming.
So now can I go to the bathroom then here somewhere?
Yeah. Did you guys hear that bear? I was just kidding, Mikey. All right, Brandon, go for it, yo. Pick a fern.
Dad, I'm going to leave this.
Check this out. Look at this. Isn't that just cool?
Dad, come here. Let me show you something. Come here. Dad, come here.
Hold on, I want to see what this place is right there.
That's a haunted house, actually.
Kind of looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. I want to show you something.
All right.
It's over here.
Yep, this is what the camping looks like in Washington State.
Yeah. That's where.
I'm going to start running really fast.
Why?
Just kidding.
Look it. You have to step over that because it will make you slip.
Oh, okay. Go on.
It's mostly stuff.
That looks cool right there.
These are the bunk beds that we're talking about.
Holy cow, you weren't kidding.
What?
I said you weren't kidding. There's quite a few bunk beds up
More
there.
bunk beds than that one. There's more bunk beds than that one, Dad. What does that say?
It says Lion Walt Rich in appreciation for his years of dedication to Camp Currie.
No.
Brandon?
What isn't easier to get lost?
Brandon?
No, this is the other creepy road, guys.
Brandon, you haven't been here before.
Yes, I have.
No, you haven't.
Not the road we were on, Brandon. I'll show it. I'll lead the way as the other creepy road. Who wants to go first? Go first. Go first. And that was this would be sweet to play airsoft in this. My dad has an airsoft. Dude, what is this? Looks like a real gun. Whoa! No one is in that. Guys, let's go. I don't know what I'm driving along.
You guys know what this reminds me of?
What?
That scene in Jurassic Park where all the velociraptors are coming at them.
Oh, yeah.
Remember all the tall grass and they can't see them?
No.
And people disappear in the grass?
Yeah, that's guys, wait up! The dinosaurs live here.
No, no dinosaurs live here.
There's no such thing as there is such thing as dinosaurs they're all dead. But someday they'll come back alive.
No.
No, there is a resurrection. Corey's good to Mason. Why not, Mason?
I guess it applies to dinosaurs.
What?
I said, I guess it applies to dinosaurs.
Guys, wait. Mason, we're still climbing the wall. You have to wait. Mason, wait up!
Hold on, Brandon. Wait your turn. Mikey's almost done.
Yeah, I can do this.
Go on. Jump.
Whoa! Whoa. I don't fell, Dad. Wait up. We're going to get lost if we don't wait. Okay, I got over.
Go on, Brandon.
I got break this.
Well, don't. You're not going to be able to break it. It's not good. Don't do it.
Why?
Because if you went through and broke every tree, we wouldn't have any trees. Everybody did the same thing you did.
Why?
Go on.
Trees give us air.